Today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 30,000-pound gooseneck dump trailer. This model is available in our 16 through 24 foot lengths. Starting here in the front, we have our 4-hole adjustable gooseneck coupler that allows you to adjust the hitch height of your trailer evenly to your truck so that it rides level going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam tongue and uprights. Every Texas Pride trailer features all DOT required safety equipment, such as heavy-duty safety chains, breakaway switch with trailer battery, and more reflective tape than you'll find on most other trailers in the industry. This trailer also comes standard with a 7-way electrical plug, and all the wiring on the trailer is modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Now, built in between the front uprights, you'll find the locking pump box that houses the dual high-capacity marine-grade batteries. These power the electric over hydraulic pump, which is controlled by a 15-foot corded remote. One main feature of the pumps is that they are power up and power down. What this means is that the pump uses the battery instead of gravity to make the bed come down. This is important in cold climates and in winter season. Without this feature, your dump bed can get stuck in the up position when the hydraulic fluid gets below optimal temperature. Another important standard feature on this trailer is the onboard 8-amp battery tester and charger. It allows you to push a button to see the status of the battery. If it's low, you simply lift the weatherproof cover on the front of the box and connect a standard 110-volt extension cord with the charging port to recharge the batteries. Once a full charge is detected, the charger will turn off and not overcharge the batteries. Note that we use a larger 8-amp charger as standard equipment on all of our dump trailers. This gives you a faster charging time than 3.5-amp chargers that are often used on most other trailers in the industry. On either side of the pump box, there are dual 12,000-pound heavy-duty drop leg jacks with spring return. Almost all of our larger trailers feature dual jacks for more stability and lifting power. This makes it easier when connecting and disconnecting your trailer from your vehicle. Moving to the side of the trailer, we have a heavy 12-inch I-beam mainframe. This large frame gives you maximum support and stability for a trailer of this size. Underneath the trailer, you'll find a dual 4-inch cylinder hoist system. Some people ask, which is better, scissor lift or dual ram? Each has their own application. We offer both, and in the end, we let you, the customer, decide which is better for you. But we found the dual cylinder system to have a little bit more power. That's why we've made it the standard hoist system on our dump trailers. Next, the sides of the trailer come standard at 48 inches tall and are reinforced. The top rail is made of heavy wall tubing to help preserve the integrity even under severe use. Also, on the rails, you have stake pockets standard so that you can raise the side height if you need to. For running gear, this trailer has heavy-duty 15,000-pound axles and suspension, which includes 5-inch brakes on all 4 hubs for maximum stopping power under load. This trailer rolls on 8 17.5-inch premium radial 16-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels. You also have the option for a mounted spare tire and wheel mounted on the top of the gooseneck. Around to the back of the trailer, the first thing you'll notice are the standard barn doors, which feature a door latching system which is lockable for extra security. The doors open and latch back to the side of the trailer for dumping your material and allowing you to easily load equipment with the optional steel ramps. We also offer optional upgraded aluminum ramps that are available in 5-foot and 9-foot lengths. They are as strong as steel, yet only half the weight. Also standard on this model are the 6 D-rings welded solidly to the bed, allowing you to secure any equipment you transport in your trailer. Another important standard feature is that almost all moving points on the trailer have grease zerks for easy lubrication and years of trouble-free use. The inside bed of the trailer is about 95 inches wide. When it comes to the finish on a Texas Pride trailer, we spare absolutely no expense. The process starts with the full media blasting to remove any surface rust or skin. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 top coats of automotive-grade acrylic and enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures you have a protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models, and all lighting is either recessed or steel encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about the trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We appreciate you taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 30,000-pound gooseneck dump trailer.